Good morning, guys. It is Saturday today. Yesterday was my birthday, and I ended up going with my mom. We did a little shopping, and I was able to find some cute little random, it's not much, but some like summer things, spring summer things to kind of decorate with. And then she also got me some decor too. So that is for sure on my list today to do some like spring, summer decorating, switching some stuff around. My dad and stepmom are coming tomorrow too, so I kind of want to get the house picked up a little bit. But yesterday evening, we ended up just kind of hanging out outside, had a fire. Dalton wanted a buddy to come over, one of his best friends. So I am waiting for his buddy to leave right now. And then we are going to head to a birthday party. What are you doing? Hi, babies. Just chilling. It's okay. These guys are fine. They're getting a little stinky, so it's time to switch that out. I wanted to come out and check on the ducks. Another thing I need to get done today too, since the weather is so nice, is just doing some like yard cleanup stuff. So maybe some decor, maybe some yard cleanup. I know we're gonna grill out. Lots of maybes today. We just got back from the birthday party and I need to start on some outdoor stuff. Jack, be a good boy. Hey. Jack. Jack. My hair is just not doing what I want today. I'm also in dire need of like dyeing my hair, tinting my lashes, tinting my eyebrows, doing like a little facial something. I need to have like a spa morning, I don't know, girl morning, whatever we call it, where you just like do all the things. But anyways, my house is a disaster. We had a great weekend. It was my birthday, like I said, on Friday, so it was a really good weekend. Family came, hung out with my mom, we had a bonfire, did a lot of stuff. But today my house is a mess. I just got groceries, so I got groceries laying on the floor, piles of laundry on the table that I need to fold. There's like toothbrushes and stuff out from the morning, getting my children off to school. So today, I always have to have a goal, do my day-to-day stuff, get my groceries put away, and then we can do the fun thing, putting all of the decor that I got over the weekend, kind of getting that up and seeing, it's not much, it's just like some flowers and stuff, but decorating. mess. It is so windy outside. I am interrupting our cleaning and getting stuff done because I have to show you something really quick, take a quick little break, go get my kids from school, come back home, finish out our evening. I just need to decorate, figure out dinner, do the after school thing, and then that's about it. But I do need to show you really quick. My dad came yesterday and we had been talking about taking some of his turkeys because he has 9. He said they bought like 5 from the feed store and they opened up their little thing and there was 9 of them in there, not 5. So he traveled him and my stepmom traveled 3 hours with these turkeys in the back of his truck. It had like the liner on top. But I gotta show you these turkeys. So I came out to check on, we came out to check on the ducks. He's very curious. And we just got to get Shep used to the ducks, just constant exposure kind of thing to us. So the ducks get used to us and Shep gets used to the ducks. He's fine with the turkeys because they're so big, but Shep is trained. I mean, we've taught him that whatever moves out here, like it is so windy, possums and stuff, they need to go. So he's taught to kill that stuff. So we need to teach him, oh my God, we need to teach him, they're friends. The ducks are friends. So I'm gonna throw this stuff out to the turkeys and show you my big babies. I secured the goods. Windows open. I am cooking dinner. Just got done working out outside and then I got a leg cramp, so I stopped. But we are doing spaghetti for dinner. I am in PJs. If I need to close those windows, but I'm just going to be doing dinner the rest of the evening. There's a couple things that I did not get done today. I'm just, I don't know, not really having a good day mentally, just kind of like crashing a little bit. So that is about it for me for today. It's so windy. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next one.